Hello everyone, welcome here. Myself Sekhar Metla, and today you are going to know about how to become a data analyst. Yes, this is a very important career role who wants to convert into IT professional and who wants to working in a legacy tools by making a data analyst career. Yes, we'll try to ask this question to ChatGPT AI tool. What the answer we'll get, and we'll try to discuss about this answer. So let's see. Before initiating, I would like to suggest you, request you to subscribe this channel and support. See, my question is how to become a data analyst. Yes. So let's see what ChatGPT is support us. Wow, it's initiating the answer. Become a data analyst requires combination of education, experience and skills. So here are the steps to become a data analyst. Yes, most of the cases in education, I would suggest to tell you, if a multinational companies or any reputed company, they wants to take any of the job oriented place, your continuous degree they'll give a first priority. So continuous degree level up to a SSC or 10 years of completion of education. Next, after 10, you need to go for +2 and +3 or +4. So this way, this pattern you are completed your graduation, and especially for data analyst, pursuing relevant to the degree with the maths, stat, computer science or engineering can be beneficial career for data analyst. However, degree is not always necessary as long as relevant skills and experience in your hand. Whereas this experience you need to be prove your skills there. And next question, next point. So develop analytical skills. Developing a strong foundation of data analysis by studying statistics, mathematics and programming. You can do this through online courses, tutorials, by taking the expert classes as well. And learn to use data analysis tools. Familiarize yourself with the data analysis tools such as Excel, SQL, Python and R. You can start by learning the basics of the moving into the more advanced techniques as you gain and much experience. So the next one. So gain experience. How to get your hands on real world data analysis projects? Yes, you can practice in data analysis competitions, following the forums, work on personal projects, seek out internships or entry level positions if any in the field. By taking a internal and entry level such type of projects, you will work on real world concepts. Network and build your portfolio. Network with the professionals field and attend industry events and gain insights, make connections, building strong portfolio of your work, and can also help you stand out as potential employers. Keep learning, stay up to date with the latest developments in the field of continuous expand your skill set, pursuing certifications in the data analysis certifications related to the fields that can demonstrate your commitment and professional, increase your credibility in the data analyst. These are the few points to become well around the knowledge and data analyst, equipped with the skills, experience necessary, require and practice of this analysis skills how you are applying in real world is very essential. So try your way and wish you good luck to start your career in data analyst. If you feel these points and this video lecture is useful to you, please do subscribe and support us. And also harisystems is also submitting and granting best online courses for data science to data analyst in Excel and SQL. Find the below links and comment us. Thank you.